welcome to my kitchen. Let's learn how to make Andhra style chili chicken. And Andhra style chili chicken is going to be spicy, delicious and yummy. So let's begin and learn how to make the perfect Andhra style chili chicken. So let's look at the ingredients. First we'll take 1 kg chicken that's boiled and we have kept it with the broth. And then I have taken 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste. Then we have corn flour, that is 2 spoons of corn flour mixed with some water, and the consistency should be as thick as this. And I have taken around 20 to 30 green chilies, and you can take more or less based on how spicy you want to make it. Then there is soya sauce, that is 3 tablespoons, and then there's salt to taste, and I've chopped 2 big onions. Okay guys, let's start now. Let's begin how to make Andhra style chili chicken. Once the kadai is hot, let's add some oil. Let's add chilies to begin with. Let's add onions. So let's add salt into our mixture now. Once we add salt, it cooks faster. The onion is going to become softer sooner. It's cooked now. Let's add ginger garlic paste into this. So next step is to add soya sauce. So this gives you a beautiful color. Once it's all mixed up well, let's add some water into this. I'm adding just 1 glass of water because I have my broth in the chicken as well. Once you see that it is boiling, let's add chicken along with the broth into this. So make sure that the corn flour is not sitting down and it's mixed well. And then you can pour it all over the chicken. This is going to make your gravy more thicker. As you cook, keep mixing it. Make sure you keep the stove on a medium to high flame, and let's now leave it to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. So we can see it boiling. Now don't stir too much into the chicken because it's all going to break into pieces. So let's leave it like that and allow it to cook. So the gravy is all thick and the chicken has turned white, it has cooked. So let's turn off the stove. There you go. Our Andhra style chili chicken is ready.